what is digital marketing? Oh! Wrong picture. Kong Marina. This is not a prank. Student bomb bomb. Student bomb bomb. Alright? Kulibi baru kau ibu uji ini video. Nadu kiklung kena kisam lagi orang bak kita menikro bat ibu uji ini video nak buat sekapor mentah kesini. Yang lain pernah jikai no sepang YouTube je kena asam lah pulemo. Maka ni kadeh po Semeris College kot yang akan kita jaka pernah jikai halor juga ni kebentar. Kumno pil bapila bersna YouTube. Kumno bapila long YouTuber berkomentar terus. Mentah kesini nak pen create di YouTuber berpau bahan ni jelai beden nanti nepo rosyang boleh play PP itu bah. Dia kikam kot di ini kot naya ngamorway bangakwa pernah surprise pada i. Atau kan long name kini ke jingle jongi ti sepet ini video hadu pendekut mau perlu yes Semeris here we come on I'm here now with Kong Marina.
Hello everyone.
So we are trying to surprise college students here, Semeris students of Semeris College. I'll go there inside the program and then we'll surprise the students with Marina.
Hope they will be surprised at this video. Oh, okay.
So today they will be expecting me but not you. So we're already here outside the college, St. Mary's, and and she rides a bike. Oh my.
Yeah.
Yang tinggi ini pendiri aku nu tadi ingin orang saya bin absang ni habar aku nu. She said that she'll try to hide you somewhere somehow. We'll just hope that the students don't see her before the time.
I can cover myself with a jacket like this.
Kino hikai sopo kila adap orang ki wan lakawan ini pendiri kata bala. Ini persang tik ini pendiri kanu kedor mah. Let's go. Thank you for doing this, yeah?
Yeah, I'm happy. It's my pleasure. Thank you for calling actually. Because this is the moment we live for.
Go, let's go. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. This is girls' college, right?
Yeah, so this is the girls' college and it is only for the ladies.
It's a beautiful compound.
Right?
Yeah. I hope children enjoy the study.
Hi Miss, kumno Miss Dabdiang here, Marina.
Finally met you. Nice to meet you. On YouTube channel. So are you funny? We'll come to the staff room. We'll just walk in the corner. We want to give you, a look of surprise. How many students, by the way, will be there?
200.
Oh, good number.
Kong Marina will be here with the teachers here. So we have the beautiful teachers from St. Mary's. Kini hikai St. Mary's berlaku kita hang ni tebentar ngi pendiri ye Kong Marina ni. We are hiding here because we want to surprise the students. And we have a very renowned personality, and I hope the students will be surprised and encouraged and feel inspired also, right? Thank you, Miss, for the invitation. I'll give you a call. Maybe I'll just call you, or maybe I'll just let you know. Khynnah? Oh yeah, thank you. Okay, now what do you usually say when you open a YouTube channel, or maybe when you greet somebody in a YouTube channel? Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Oh my! See? Smart girls. So many girls are smart girls. Alright, so why not we do it in one go? Let's say, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Can we do that? Yes. Okay, let's go in 1, 2, 3. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wow, that's nice. That's more like it. Perlu ni don hang ni po Semeris College, but ni don ni with session but kini khynnah college hang ni. Hi, jong 6 semester hang ni po Semeris College, and we are here with all these students from Semeris College, and I don't know what I'm going to teach, but I hope what I'm doing here will inspire them. Can you give a round of applause for the viewers? Yes! Thank you for subscribing and watch till the end. Okay. Digital marketing. Where? Here. Oh, wait. Wait. Yes, now. Yes! Success! Round of applause. Yeah, thank you. All right. Now, what is digital marketing? Oh! Wrong picture. a picture. So, wait, let us read though. It makes sense. Do you understand?
Yes.
You're lying. You don't. I also don't understand. Wait. Marketing optimization. I forgot to add the details. Yeah. Okay, well, forget it. Okay, let's move on. Social media. Please don't laugh, yeah. And you're still recording? Oh my! Okay, wait. Alright, okay, keep on recording, it's okay. And what is this thing? Honestly, I have no idea. Next. Okay, so digital marketing metrics, pyramids. I think I must have brought the wrong PPT. Anyway, okay, so the rest you can watch on YouTube. So you can just Google and watch on YouTube what is digital marketing, okay? So, thank you. Interesting, right? Yes, yeah, please, big round of applause, yes. There's one interesting personality that I've worked with. And how many of you know Kong Marina? You know him? You know her? She's a very great personality, okay? She left Russia and got married to a handsome young man here. And how many of you have met her? You? How is he in person? Very nice.
So her husband is from our church, so she has a really good personality. Humble.
Very humble, yes. And another one? Yes, adventurous. Yeah, so many things. And you know what? She even rides a bike now. You know, she has overcome so many things in her short stay here in Shillong with her husband. So if you have the opportunity to speak to her, would you do it? Well, I've made a few arrangements and I have invited Kong Marina here. Kong Marina, can you please take the stage? Kong Marina, this is not a prank.
Oh my god.
Well, are you Kong Marina? Let's just confirm, are you Kong Marina?
Hoi.
Hi! Yes, so Kong Marina here, she has been a wonderful friend. You know what? I convinced her just last night. And now she's here, so thank you Marina for your time. And I would like to hand over the mic to Kong Marina.
I'm so happy to see all of you.
Session nang ni bat ngidan nang ni bat kini ki khynnah and we're going to do a reel min le isna reel ka wei ba ka thi bisai pe ta reel mo. Let's make a circle. Let's make a circle.
It's a long process and not easy to organize like more than 100 students.
Make one circle from inside.
I think you should do your own dance class. You'll be successful.
Ikong Natasha ndo mana la penting video ini. Teman kami percaya jadi ikong Natasha la penting video ndo mana mak ni sebut. Bisa saya. 10. Ya, 10. Thank you. Sampai mai video mah. Make sure everybody watch the video, okay? Yes. What would you like to say to the viewers?
Like and subscribe.
Yes. Like and subscribe. Yes. Bye bye. Toh, kemudian Shimon. But ngisi gino biang marbi ko iba video nang ni na same risk ni amino. But kani kadai ka bayo banai content video banai kai hanor banle YouTube ban sna content but ikong Marina. But ni don ni amino nang ni same risk. Okay, we're done. So how was it, Marina?
That was so nice. I mean, I'm still trying to process. What about you? What do you think?
You should see the look on the face. They really didn't expect to see you. Okay.
We'll see you in a vlog.
Yeah, of course. Would you like to come back?
Yes, definitely. That was my pleasure to talk, to share. Because when you have something, important in your heart, you want to share it. You want, for this principle to help someone else.
True. If you want us to come to your institution, please call us. We will come. Oh, it will be a pleasure. And thank you to all the students of St. Mary's.
Yes,
thank you guys.
That was
thank
nice
you guys.
time together.
Yes, lovely. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. Please subscribe to the channel, okay? Yeah. Bye bye.